is the lacrimal gland for you. More lateral side is lacrimal gland, superior rectus muscle, lateral rectus, medial rectus. This tendon, what you see here is superior oblique. The tendon belongs to. And inferior rectus is down here. This muscle is inferior oblique. That is the optic nerve posteriorly.
So we don't need to know those.
Yes. Optic nerve is part of the orbit.
Let's see the muscles.
Okay, let's do the big one. This has lot of nerves. Any questions here? Okay, this is your trigeminal nerve here. And these are the three branches of trigeminal. The first one is ophthalmic nerve, maxillary nerve, mandibular nerve. Ophthalmic goes into the orbit, maxillary goes into foramen rotundum, mandibular goes into foramen ovale. Follow me? Three divisions of the trigeminal. Okay, here in the orbit you see the lacrimal gland here, and these are the two muscles superficially. The first one is the levator palpebrae superioris, and right beneath that you have the superior rectus. On top of the levator runs the frontal nerve, that is frontal nerve. Frontal nerve splits into two branches. Supratrochlear is the medial branch, supraorbital is the lateral branch. Anyone can be that. Frontal, supraorbital, supratrochlear, supraorbital.
Trochlear is
What's
first.
that thing called? Frontal nerve?
This is frontal.
Frontal. Yeah.
That is your lacrimal nerve, which goes to the lacrimal gland. See that? That is lacrimal nerve. Okay, now, this is your, I can remove this.
Should we turn it around?
No, you can take it out.
Supraorbital, supratrochlear.
So that is frontal, this is lacrimal, supratrochlear and supraorbital. These are the two muscles here, superior oblique and medial rectus. That is lateral rectus. Inferior rectus, inferior oblique. You all make out 7 muscles? That is the tendon of superior oblique, the one which is coming down, forming the pulley.
You can tag that in.
Yes, I can. Tendon of superior oblique. So superior oblique, medial rectus, lateral rectus, inferior rectus, inferior oblique. And the nerves, the superior oblique is innervated by trochlear. That's number 4. The one which is supplying down here as well as here, oculomotor, number 3. And this is now lateral rectus abducens. You follow me? And that white nerve is the optic nerve. You cannot miss that big one. And here is your ciliary ganglion. And the whole bunch of the nerve roots coming from ciliary ganglion is your short ciliary nerves.
Ciliary.
All of them. Short ciliary nerves, branches of ciliary ganglion. Okay, this is your oculomotor nerve. That's the one dividing into 2 branches. This is your nasociliary nerve. Don't get confused. Trochlear nerve, oculomotor nerve, and nasociliary. Now the nasociliary gives 3 branches, make sure you know it. The one that goes here is posterior ethmoidal nerve. This one is anterior ethmoidal nerve. And the nasociliary continues to the front. It's coming out of the orbit as infratrochlear nerve. Posterior ethmoidal, anterior ethmoidal, infratrochlear. But before it turns, it gives another bunch of the nerves called long ciliary nerves. So don't confuse with the long ciliary and short ciliary. Follow me?
Where are the long ciliary coming up?
These are coming out from the nasociliary. Short comes from ciliary ganglion.
Is this oculomotor broken?
Yeah,
Oh, that's why
it's
I'm
broken.
wondering.
You see it here. These are muscles supplied by ocular motor.
Can you see these again?
Which one?
These ones. The ones.
Nasociliary nerve turns into posterior ethmoidal,
Oh, ethmoidal.
long ciliary, anterior ethmoidal, and finally infratrochlear. This model has a lot of nerves, so you have to learn it thoroughly. Any questions in the orbit? No?